YOSUDA Recumbent Exercise Bike RC Pro Assembly. Step 1. Install the front and rear stabilizers. This part is for protection and not a part of this recumbent bike, so you can throw it away. Inverting the bike makes assembly easier, but be careful of its tipping over. If you have smaller hands, consider using clear tape. All the seat and backrest cushion. Use 2 fingers to peel back the cover to expose the mounting holes. When you feel that you can't line up the holes, check for caulked pipe plugs. Step 3. Install the rear handlebar. Sliding the adjusting tube forward makes it easier to assemble the rear handlebar. Step 4. Install the cushion frame. It is recommended that the screws towards the front be fixed first to align the screw holes at the rear. Step 5. Install the front post. When the resistance is set to 1, the upper wire of the resistance controller is the longest. Note: tilt the upper wire and pass it through the lower hole first. Try to position the arc washer as close to the bike as possible. Step 6. Install the monitor. Bolts for mounting the monitor are pre-installed on the back of the monitor. Step 7. Install the left and right pedals. The left pedal is tightened counterclockwise. The right pedal is tightened clockwise. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions.